how to get free items in Roblox. So first, just go to the Roblox website, and once you're there, just simply click on the marketplace here at the top navigation bar, and it will redirect you right here. As you can see, it is already set to all items. Just make sure it's set to all items so that you see all of the free items. And once you're here, just simply go here at the left side, then scroll down to see the price option, and simply click on the other button right here, or the other circle. Click on that, and once you click on that, this will pop up here at the top on the all items, and you'll see the free option right there. So if it's set to this any price option, the free button will not be there. So just make sure that you click here on the minimum button, then click on the free option right there, and it will bring you right here, and you will see all of the free items that Roblox offers. But there are a ton of stuff right here, and now you could set it to characters if you want. Right there, you could also go to accessories, clothing. There are a ton of stuff. So let's say you go to accessories and you want this one or this hood. Just simply click on that and click on buy. Since this is free, you just simply need to click on get now right here. As you can see, you have successfully acquired the medieval hood of mystery assets from Roblox for free. And you could also click on customize so that it will bring you to your avatar. As you can see, it is just right here, and it will automatically equip. And that's how you basically get free items in Roblox.